So we are going to find the confidence interval of a proportion. What that really means is estimating the true percentage of a whole population based on a smaller sample, which will help us find the true range where the population proportion falls. So we have the formula right here, and then we have the example problem, and then all the stuff I've filled out right here. So as I put in the work, N is the total amount of people surveyed, P hat is the proportion of people who would go to outer space in their lifetime. So we have 763 and then 0.4312. And then we will find alpha as the next step, which is 1 minus a confidence interval, and our confidence interval is 92%. So to find that, we would do 1 minus 0.92, which equals 0.08, and then divide it by 2, which equals 0.04. And then we have to try to find 0.04 on the z-score chart, which is right here on the negative 1.7 and then the 0.05. And we will be using the positive value, which is positive 1.75. So with all that data, we will be plugging it into the formula right here. So we have the proportion plus or minus the z, and then we'll multiply that by the square root of the proportion, multiplied by 1 minus the proportion, divided by the population. So this is for the whole square root portion, this part right here, which is 0.252 divided by 763, which is equal to 0.0003214, which when we take the square root is 0.0179. So now that we have that data, we will do 0.4312 plus 7.75 multiplied by 0.01793. And then we're going to do 0.4312 minus 1.75 multiplied by 0.01793. Okay, so 1.75 times 0.01793 is, so this whole section right here is equal to 0.314. Oh wait, no, oopsie. 0.314. That's what it is, sorry. So we're gonna do this, multiply it by, or add it to this to get the upper bound. So that equals 0.4312 plus 0.01793. So the upper bound is 0.44913. And then the lower bound, we're just going to take this and then subtract it by this right here. So 0.4312 minus 0.0314, which is equal to 0.3998. So this is the confidence interval for the proportion for this example right here. Thank you.